Hi everyone, here's my Fiat 500 door hack. If your handle is coming off the hinges, here's an easy way to fix it. Okay, first of all you want to drill near to the pin and just drill in through the metal. It'll go just under a little lip, so it's only a little bit of a drill. Mark on your door with I don't know, just a bit of mud or something where that drill line is. Then put your handle over that and drill through your handle. Once you've done that, you can get a screw and screw that in.
Sotto i raggi del sole, a 2 passi dal mare, abbracciato con te.
Try it out, unlock the door, and yay! So your alternative is taking off the door card inside the car, but all this does is ensure the pivot point is held in place, and it'll keep your door working for, I don't know, I'll let you know how long it lasts. Fiat 500 door hack.